Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the mystery reveal for March Mystery. So excited about this kit. I have never done a kit in this theme, custom or not, which is wild because I feel like it's a pretty, everyone could use it at some point theme, and it's turned out so nice. And I think this actually was Kirsten's idea, maybe. But it's so pretty. It's exclusive art as always, and unfortunately you can no longer purchase this kit, but if you are looking for it, I would suggest you head over to the Buy Sell Trade group on Facebook. We do get, posts on there of people selling their mystery kits. Usually they do go quite fast though, so definitely, I think maybe you could turn notifications on. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and show you guys the March 2021 mystery kit. It's so pretty. I love the farmer's market theme. Again, I've never done a kit in this theme ever, and I just think it's so pretty. Like all of the food, the florals, the natural tones to it. I just think it's so pretty and definitely gives me spring summer vibes, but totally could go into fall. So I just think a beautiful kit. So you do have your two fashion options here. This one I really wanted to kind of showcase the bike a little bit more with the slouchy tote with the groceries coming out of here. And then over here you do have the girl holding sunflowers with the booth in the back of both. The flat lays, you have a fashion one. I love the little cinnamon roll and the little bread and vegetables and fruits, as well as this one here with the bouquet, the fruits, bread, and more vegetables on the side. And then over here you just have some little baskets of fruit, which is just so cute, and little canned goods there as well with the florals peeking on the side, and then a basket of mandarins maybe, and some little cherries with a homemade candle. So I just think it's a really pretty kit, and wait till you see the colors. They're so pretty. So nice. So I leaned a little bit more because the full boxes are a little bit more green and brown. I leaned into the blues and the pink, and I think that whenever you put it all together, it's just gonna be a vibe. You do have the tall box here, which is just the girl. I think her outfit is so cute, and her hair just kind of a casual look, you know what I mean? And again, these colors with the patterns, I'm just absolutely in love. You have your glitter headers, you're so cute. You have your deco, and just look at these colors. They're so pretty. The pattern labels, and put down the foil, your half boxes, your solid labels, the terrazzo bottom washi, which is so pretty. Then you have your extra pages, so you have the label sampler on the bottom, the extra color on the side, which I went for the nude, the extra fashion options here. And then on the last page, you have the hand holding the tomato with the really cute nude manicure. And then also a flat lay here as well that says buy fresh, buy local. And then you have the 15mm strip and some pattern boxes there as well. So you have 10 sheets of stickers there. And then there is also the foil bundle. So this is the confetti foil bundle. So you do get the full foil bundle. So you have these 6 full boxes and then the glitter headers on the side. You get 2 pages of that. And then you do get this page here, which has the icons, the scripts, and then 2 pages of bougie boxes. And then the last page here has the bottom washies, the deco, the fancy headers, as well as the date numbers. So definitely an awesome value here in the ultimate kit with the full foil bundle, as well as the ultimate kit for the price of an ultimate kit. So super cute. I hope that you guys love this theme. It's something really exciting because I love whenever we do something that we haven't done before, and I think it turned out really, really beautiful, and ththese colors are just amazing. I love it. So hope you guys love that this month. I am just so excited for mysteries this year. I feel like I'm always excited, but there's something about the lineup this year, especially you guys have seen now 3 of them, that I just feel like they're just so good, in my opinion. And then this is the mini kit. This is our more affordable option. So you do have the full boxes. You have the same deco page, the mini kit page, the glitter header page, the bottom washi page, and then you do get the label sampler with the extra color, the 2 extra fashion options, as well as the little matte foiled freebie as well. So that is the mini kit. Again, like I said, you can no longer purchase this, but if you're looking for it, I would definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group. Again, if you do get this and it is not your vibe, I would definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group if you want to sell it or swap it. So I hope you guys like this month's month's mystery. If you're looking to sign up for next month, which will be another exclusive theme, I will leave the date that it will be, spots will be open down below. It is a recurring subscription mystery, but you can cancel anytime, and then you won't be charged anymore after that. So that is everything. I hope that you guys like it, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.